All right, what up, everybody? This is Al Phillips with A3 Digital Studio. I wanted you to view this commercial. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but this is the Dockers commercial. Dockers is a company that sells awesome pants. And I'm not doing this to promote Dockers, but I want you to view the commercial because I want you to look and listen to the commercial and understand the importance of sound effects being used towards your commercial. So if you are a small business somewhere and you're advertising locally and creating a product, think about using sound effects as a way to sell or promote your product. I also want you to pay attention to another thing that goes on in this commercial, that there are literally no one's talking. There are literally no voice in this particular commercial, but the whole commercial is done in sound effects. Let's dive into this commercial. Straight up, if you would listen, if you would look at check it out and pay attention, almost the whole commercial is done using sound effects, which I think is a really great way to do commercials. Thank you for listening. If you are looking for sound effects, hit me up.